So welcome to this preposition session, day number 4. And 19 prepositions we want to work on. Let's go ahead for the first one, and that is called write to. Write to. Write to. I know that you all know this. You may be using it in your sentences. In Hindi, write to means दाईं ओर. दाईं ओर. अगर सोचिए कोई किसी के दाईं ओर बैठा है या दाईं ओर खड़ा है, so वहां पे हम लोग write to this preposition we can use it. Like, for example, or we can use to the right of. Okay, yes, this is very important. You can use right to, or you can use to the right of. To the right of. Okay, let's go ahead with the sentence. He is sitting right to Yashi. So easy sentence. He is sitting right to Yashi. He is sitting to the right of Yashi. See, the meaning is same. Huh? You can use it to the right of or right to. You can use both. So he is sitting right to Yashi. He is sitting to the right of Yashi. We are to the right of students. We are to the right of students. Suppose teachers बोल रहे हैं कि we are to the right of students. So this is a very easy one, and now I would like to see how you write any sentence with this preposition. Okay, Neeraj Madan has written a wonderful sentence. Right to my home, there is one temple. Wow, very nice. There is a bean bag to the right of my bed. Wonderful, wonderful. Very good. Is there any more sentence I can expect from you all? Okay, so see, whatever the sentence you are speaking, you are writing, I'm speaking, so that people who are watching this, they can get these sentences. But I'm only going to read first few sentences. I'm sitting right of my daughter. Right of my daughter. Okay. You can even say, I'm sitting right to my daughter. Right to my daughter. Okay. To the right of. You can use to the right of. Otherwise, right to. Okay. So right of mat likhiye. To the right of likh sakte hain aap. My house is to the right of street 3. Very good. Rima is sitting right to Soma. Right to me, my husband is standing. Okay. I was standing right to a lion at the zoo. Very good. There is a bridge right to our home. There is a big building right to my house. There are so many people right to me. I'm sitting to the right of my daughter. Very good sentence. Right to English online class. There is immediate responses from the student. Okay, very good. Let's go for the next sentence. But yes, very important thing. Right to means, please listen, this is very important. I'm going to tell you. Right to means दाईं ओर. But when I say right to, it is not कि exactly मेरे बगल में. मैं बगल में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I'm not telling कि আমার পাশে. I'm telling আমার ডান দিকে. Means my right hand side. It may not be कि मेरे बगल में है वो, but मेरे right hand side में है वो. But if I ask you and I want if you can write down, अगर मैं बोलूं right off और मैं ये भी बोलना चाहूं कि एकदम मेरे बगल में दाईं ओर, मेरे बगल में दाईं ओर मतलब मेरे बगल में कोई बैठा हुआ है राइट हैंड साइड, इस केस में हम कौन सा प्रीपोजिशन यूज कर सकते हैं? कैन यू ट्राई, कैन यू थिंक ऑफ इट? सी राइट नाउ वी आर टेलिंग राइट ऑफ. अब राइट ऑफ तो भाई बगल में नहीं है, मेरे दाईं ओर है. हो सकता है 2-3 जन के बाद हो, बट आई एम टेलिंग कि मेरे जस्ट बगल में दाईं ओर. व्हाट विल बी द right to Subhash sir? There are many positive picture. See, right to Subhash sir, it could be ये ना मतलब एग्जैक्टली मेरे राइट नहीं भी हो सकता है. Okay, very good. I got one very good preposition. Immediate right. Very good, Prashanti. Immediate right to. Immediate right to. Immediate right to मतलब right में भी है and मेरे just बगल में है. Very good, Prashanti. Wonderful. Okay, let's go ahead. हम लोग इसको करेंगे. Don't worry. I was just thinking of, talking about it. She's sitting adjacent to me. Huh, yeah, Sharmila, you can say that she is sitting adjacent to me. Even you can say she is sitting adjacent right to me. But we have a very appropriate word. उसके लिए हमारा एक already एक अलग word है. We'll see that word. Okay, now after right to, let's go for left to. Is absolutely same as right to. अब ये बाईं ओर हो गया है. बाईं ओर. Left to means बाईं ओर. So sentences will be absolutely same the way we did it. Or we can use to the left of. To the left of. To the left of. Can you write any sentences with left to or to the left of? Immediately, it is the same sentence, right? Left to hospital, there is one park. Very good, Neeraj. Neeraj is very fast. Yesterday, I was vaccinated. Left to the my hand. नहीं, बाई और लेफ्ट टू माई हैंड ऐसे करके सेंटेंस को हम नहीं लिख सकते. बाई और मतलब मेरे बॉडी के बाई और आप बॉडी के अंदर ही बात कर रहे हो कि मेरे हाथ में. आई एम सिटिंग लेफ्ट टू माई डॉटर. वेरी गुड. Chintu is sleeping left to me. Very nice. I'm standing left to the wall. Absolutely right. My daughter to the left of sleeping. This sentence को थोड़ा सा अच्छे से बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए आरती. My daughter is sleeping. Aarti, you can write. My daughter is sleeping left to, left to me. Or else you can see the sentence. He's sitting left to Yashi. So आप वहाँ पे my daughter is sleeping left to me. आप left to me बोल सकते हो. और आप लिख सकते हो she's sleeping to the left of me. My baby is sitting left to me. Absolutely. So उसको वैसे लिखिए, उसको बेटर कीजिए. Ritu Sinha, left to my house there is a colossal building. Wow. Ritu has started talking about colossal. Wonderful word it is. Yes. Shika is residing left to my home. Wow. My maid is always busy in talking to other maid resides left to my home. Wonderful sentence. I'm sitting left to my kitchen. She left to walking by me. Okay, thank you very much for your sentences. He's sitting to the left of Yashi. Masood is sitting left to Tarun. So these are the same kind of sentences what we already did few minutes before. So right to, and now we are talking about left to. And now we'll go for what I was talking about. It was immediate right to. मतलब एकदम बगल में दाईं ओर. It's not about only दाईं ओर, it is बगल में दाईं ओर. Immediate right to. Immediate right to. Right? Ayansh is sitting immediate right to Avirat. Rashmi is sitting immediate right to Divya. So this is the way you can use immediate right to. Can you write any sentences with immediate right to? Manish is residing. Okay, Manish is residing immediate right to my home. Absolutely. Yes, he has made his towering house immediate right to my house. Very nice. Very good. Neelam, you're writing wonderful sentences, but while speaking, I'm stuck. Work on it. My maid washing clothes immediate right to. Immediate right to me. किसके right? Immediate right to me. क्या किस चीज के बगल में? उसको पूरा कीजिए आरती. My maid washing नहीं है. My maid is washing. And whatever you people are writing, आप अपने copy में भी उसको लिखो, otherwise you will forget it. I used to sit immediate right to my boss. Very good. Patient, who is immediate right to my bed. Geeta Bakshi, what have you written? My study room is immediate right to my kitchen. Very good sentence, Geeta Bakshi. Poonam Shukla, patient who was immediate right to my bed got discharged. Poonam Shukla, थोड़ा आपको verb पे काम कीजिए. Immediate right to my, to नहीं लिखा आपने, right to my bed got discharged. ED होगा वहां पे. My study room is immediate right to my kitchen. I used to sleep when a teddy bear was kept immediate right to me. Very nice sentence. Sampurna, the child is sitting immediate right to his mother. Wonderful sentences, guys. Wonderful. Now the same preposition, immediate left to. Absolutely same sentences. अब है बगल में बाईं ओर. बगल में बाईं ओर. Okay, we'll see some sentences, and yes, you also write some sentences. Avirat is sitting immediate left to Ayansh. Nitin is sitting immediate left to Tarun. Yes. Now, can you write few sentences? Now the same sentences, immediate right to say. Now it will be immediate left to. My bedroom is immediate right to my kitchen. Wonderful. My pen top is immediate right to my kitchen. I have placed a bowl of milk immediate left to the fridge. Go and see. Wow, wonderful sentence, Nilam. Toilet is immediate left to my classroom. Very bad. Okay. My husband is sleeping immediate left to me. अभी ठीक है सेंटेंस आपका. We all cracked up with laughter. अब ये सेंटेंस इतना अच्छा स्टार्ट हुआ है कहाँ चला गया? We all cracked up with laughter is sitting immediate left to a shop. This sentence, Navonita, you have to work on it. इतना अच्छा स्टार्ट था आपका. You can WhatsApp me the same sentence. I really want to know कि आप क्या लिखना चाहते थे. Ram Lakhan College is immediate left to my house. Okay, thank you very much. We'll go much further because these are very easy prepositions and we have already done this. Let's go for the next preposition, and that is along. Along. Along माने साथ में. कोई चीज के साथ में, किसी इंसान के साथ में, और साथ में लगा हुआ. साथ में. Let's see some sentence, you will understand. Will you come along? क्या आप मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come along? क्या आप साथ में आओगे? Will you come along? Will you come along? You will get this pen along the mobile. You will get this pen along the mobile. Along the mobile, yes. You will get this pen along the mobile. आपको ये पेन मिलेगा मोबाइल के साथ. There is a road along the river. इस रोड के साथ साथ रिवर भी है. साथ साथ जा रहा है. There is a road along the river. There's a road along the river. Okay, some sentences must have come. Come along me. I keep my pen along with me. Very good, Vibha. Hubby is going along with me. Very nice. Life is along with lots of unfold surprises. Very good. I never adjust along braggadocious person. ये क्या sentence है? I never adjust. Adjust भी लिखा है आपने, and then along. Adjust along. Okay, I never along. Okay, I never adjust along braggadocious people. Okay. Okay. Market is along the tunnel. You will get bonus class along with basic class. Acha? Okay. Yes, I am walking the road along the river. Will you be my friend along forever? Will you be? ये sentence थोड़ा प्रशांति, you please check it. Will you be my friend along forever? Will you be my friend forever? Along यहाँ पे लिखने का जरूरत नहीं था. I'm along with IDQ family. Very good. Toddlers always carry Pampers along inside their school bag. Very good sentence. Okay, let's go for the next preposition, which is also like along, but it is now. Okay, my office is along the street. Okay, now see the new preposition which is coming right now. It is alongside. Alongside मतलब साथ माने किनारे साथ में. अब साथ में था, अब है किनारे में साथ में. साइड में. साइड में साथ में चल रहा है और साइड में साथ में है. Alongside. किनारे साथ में. If you see the sentence, you will understand. From one end to or towards the other end of something. It means alongside. When you will say alongside, जैसे when you see a road which is just along the river, and the way the river is going, the way the road is going, the river is also going alongside. So means river and the road going alongside. So it's basically from one point to the last point, the road is alongside with the river. Let's see the sentence. A truck is parked alongside the road. Alongside the road. A truck is parked alongside the road. This is talking about किनारे में. A truck is parked alongside, मतलब रोड के एकदम किनारे में. Side. साथ में है लेकिन किनारे में है. A truck is parked alongside the road. Along the road नहीं. Along the road मतलब कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. Alongside the road. There is a road alongside the river. यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं कि एकदम साइड में रोड के एक रिवर है जो एकदम साइड जा रहा है. Let's see your sentences. Okay, your sentences, if I see here, the girl is standing, the ship is waiting alongside the ocean. Okay. We must park our vehicle alongside the road while talking on phone. Very good sentence. This is a wonderful sentence. Shalini, we walk alongside every day. The girl is standing alongside the park. Life is scripture of sadness and happiness alongside. Okay, my car is going alongside the river. After dinner, we are walking alongside of the road. Very good. You can see my tourist alongside the shore of Goa. There is a bank alongside this road. Alongside means which is saath mein but kinare. Very good. There are two cars alongside the road. Very, very nice, Vibha. He planted a tree alongside the road. Very good sentence, Biplab. Anu Singh, the boy is playing alongside the road. Absolutely right. We were strolling alongside of park. My garage is alongside my flat. Very good, guys. Let's go for the next one. You people are doing absolutely wonderful. Now, very wonderful verb, the preposition has come, and that is called beyond. Beyond. Beyond का मतलब होता है के पार और के आगे. Beyond. I want to see आप लोगों से, before I tell you about beyond, I want to see how you use the sentence, how you use the preposition beyond in the sentence. Can you write any sentence with beyond right now? Any sentence going into your mind with beyond? Think about it. Don't think about making mistake, because the more you make mistake, the better you go. So she is beyond. What is the meaning of she is beyond? Do not run beyond the boundary. Okay. Your cooking is beyond anything. I am beyond of you. Aarti, ये sentence is not giving right meaning, Aarti. Preeti, I will try to help the people beyond my limits sometimes. Okay. You know what's will beyond of 2021? What will beyond? ऐसा कैसे sentence होता है नीलम जी? What will beyond? There is no verb after will. How is the sentence? Sky is beyond. Okay, the question is beyond the syllabus. Yeah, this is a nice sentence, Yash. Some things are beyond my reach. Very good, Geeta. Neha, for this mistake, nobody is beyond you. No, Neha, this sentence is not getting the right meaning. Beyond matlab के पार और के आगे. IDQ value added gives beyond our exception, beyond our exception or expectation. थोड़ा वो देख लीजिए, beyond exception. Okay. Fine. Aviral is beyond to Rashmi in the class. Okay, I love my husband beyond anything. Very good. There is a hut beyond this forest. Okay, let's see some sentences beyond. But you should know the meaning of beyond. इसका मतलब होता है के पार. के पार. Okay, but please, there's a catch. You are talking about something which is not seen, जो नहीं दिखता है. You are talking about beyond something which is not seen, which is abstract, which can be abstract also. Which can be abstract also. आप beyond तब use करोगे जब आपको उस तरफ की चीजें नहीं दिख रही है. You can use beyond when you can't see anything beyond something, right? I'm giving you the example. You can see there is a temple beyond this mountain. There is a temple beyond this mountain. मतलब mountain के पार या mountain के आगे. लेकिन वो temple हमें दिख नहीं रही है जहां पे हम लोग हैं अभी. I can't see that temple, huh? So when you can't see something, then we use beyond. When you can't see anything. Beyond का मतलब आप इतना देख लेना कि beyond means you can't see that thing. Whenever you write beyond, it means you are telling कि मतलब आपको वो चीज दिख नहीं रही है. बोलते ना कभी कभी it was beyond my expectation. So beyond my expectation मतलब आपने जो सोचा था उससे भी beyond, जो आपने सोचा भी नहीं था. Beyond something. See the example. What is beyond the river? What is beyond that river? उस river के उस पार क्या है? So we can't see that, right? Beyond means we can't see that. There is nothing beyond life. ये abstract है. अब ये कोई physical चीज नहीं है. There is nothing beyond life. Life के उस पार कुछ नहीं है. There is nothing beyond life. Life को छोड़कर भी कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. There are things beyond our imagination. बहुत कुछ है जो हमारी imagination से परे है, जो नहीं दिखता है हमें. So beyond is used when you don't see anything. Okay, I can see some people have written some of the sentences. I'll see to that. There is nothing beyond love. There's nothing beyond love. There's nothing beyond love. So beyond you will use when you can't see that particular thing. Let's see some of your sentences. The expenditure of this marriage. Lot of sentences. I can't see what will happen beyond this year. There are many talented, which is beyond our imagination. Absolutely right. The expenditure of this marriage ceremony is beyond my budget. Wonderful sentence. Our life is beyond our faith. He performed beyond our expectation. Wow. There is a sun beyond the mountain. Wonderful sentence. It's beyond my imagination. Life has provided. Neeraj Madan, life has provided hoga. Life has provided me beyond my expectation. Wonderful sentence. My target is beyond range. So now you get it. Beyond means when you can't see something or anything is abstract. Let's see the next sentence, and that is called across. Across का मतलब ही होता है कि पार. Across, the meaning of across is in Hindi also कि you know किसी चीज के उस पार. But the difference between beyond and across is जो across है वो दिख रहा है, जो beyond था वो नहीं दिख रहा था. Which was beyond, it could not be seen. Which is across, it can be seen. It can be seen. It can be seen. So, which is seen. I think we have used this sentence in our life so many times. I can swim across the river. So you can see the other part of the river, the other, the corner of the river. I can swim across the river. My home is across the road. My home is across the road. Means you are here and your home is just across the road. Just you will cross it and you will get your home there. He's standing across the road. He's standing across the road. So across you will use when you talk about कि उस पार कोई है, लेकिन वो पार जो है वो दिख रहा है. But when you say beyond, it means it is not seen. This is the difference between across and beyond. Very good. Okay, let's see your sentences. I've not seen your sentence. I across the road with my children. Nikta, you have to make some changes in the sentence. Across the risk, there is a towering success. Very nice sentence. तो बहुत हटके था. Because I don't know how to swim, therefore I cannot swim across the river, Neelam. I across the road. Okay. There is always a ray of hope. Ray of hope across any difficulty. Very nice. There is a temple across the river. Yes, absolutely possible. My friend house is across the next street. I come across a colossal amount of hurdle in my life. Very good. We are across the Taj Mahal. Across the river, there is a forest. Wonderful sentences. There is a park across the road. I across the road. Okay. Okay. Instead of saying I across the road, आप road के इस तरफ हो. Somebody is there in your family जो उस तरफ है. So आप लिख सकते हो my brother is standing across the road. मतलब आपके भाई आपके रोड के उस तरफ है. That's called across the road. Okay, so this is all about across. Let's go for the next preposition, during. It's very easy preposition now, during. During means dauran. I think this is a very easy sentences we can make through during. So can you make any sentences with during? Please go to the chat box and write down some sentences with during. जो हम लोग बोलते हैं जिसका हिंदी meaning है दौरान. Yes, can I see some sentences here? Okay, I'm waiting for the sentences. During COVID, I'm learning English. Wow, wonderful sentence. Very practical. Absolutely. Yes. No more sentence yet. Waiting for, yes, I was faint during. Okay. I was faint during waiting for him. Okay. During the day, I lose my weight. Okay. Arti, ये जो lose होगा ना, this is LOSE. Okay. I became more motivated during this pandemic. Good. Surendra, we should more cautious during this pandemic time. We should be more cautious. I wanted to meet with you during the lockdown period. I can't eat during the class. Anu Singh is saying I can't eat during the class. Sometimes I eat during the class. Okay, my bro visited Ooty during his visit to India. Okay, very good. During rainy season, we must go with umbrella. I prefer to have tea during my class time. हाँ, ये चलो थोड़ा सुकून मिला मुझे, एटलीस्ट कुछ तो कर सकते हैं. Okay, during COVID, people faced many problems. During daytime, we should hydration more. ये क्या sentence है भाई? During daytime, we should hydrate more. Hydration more क्या होता है? Hydration is a noun. We should hydrate more. Students should be disciplined during exam. Very good sentences this time. Okay, I'll show you one of my sentences, few of my sentences. I was in Delhi during vacations. We will meet him during the break. I worked during studies. He came during the visit of Delhi. These are some of the sentences you can, if you want, you can write it down. He came during the visit of Delhi. वो जब दिल्ली का visit करने आए थे, he came. He came during the visit of Delhi. I worked during studies. Okay, wonderful. Let's go for the next preposition. Opposite. Opposite मतलब के सामने या उल्टा या मेरे विपरीत, मेरे उल्टे साइड में अगर कोई है या कुछ है, you can use opposite. Can you make any sentence with opposite? I just want to see whether can you make or not. Opposite. Opposite. मेरे घर के सामने, opposite my home. इसके विपरीत, opposite to it or of it. Opposite my home. मेरे घर के सामने, तो सामने भी हो सकता है, मेरे उल्टे तरफ भी हो सकता है. Yeah, I'm waiting for the sentences with opposite. I'm opposite of you. I'm opposite of you मतलब क्या होता है? I am standing opposite. I'm standing, I'm eating. Opposite to, opposite to, opposite to him. If we care ourselves during this COVID, then Corona will not stand along opposite of us. Okay. Sir is opposite of me. Very good, Anu. Opposite to my home, there is a par. What is that? There is a park. There's a big river opposite my home. Okay. His house is situated opposite to my house. Very good. My sister is just opposite of my nature. That's great. There is a well opposite. There's a well. Okay, there's a well. It's a well opposite to my house. Okay. There's a well opposite to my house. Some people act opposite of their words. Very good sentence, Geeta. Nobunita, my brother live nahi hoga, Nobunita, my brother lives. My brother lives opposite to my house. Very good. My hostel is opposite to my college. Very good sentences. Let's go ahead and see some of the sentences. My home is opposite that shop. He was standing opposite you. He does opposite of what you say. वो हमेशा उल्टा करता है. He will sit opposite to me. मेरे विपरीत. He does opposite of what you say. मतलब एकदम उल्टा करता है. तो उल्टा करता है, वहां पे भी you can use it. He does exactly opposite. वहां पे आप exactly भी use कर सकते हो. He does exactly opposite of what you say or what I say. He was standing opposite you. My home is opposite that shop. You will sit opposite to me. Okay, wonderful. Let's go for the next preposition, and that is against. खिलाफ, विरुद्ध, किसी के विरुद्ध जाना और विरुद्ध जावा. खिलाफ, against. Okay, I'll show you some sentences, then I will see your sentences. So मेरे खिलाफ, against me. She's provoking him against me. वो उसको provoke कर रहा है कि मेरे against जाए. She's provoking him against me. Are you against me? Are you against me? क्या तुम मेरे खिलाफ हो? क्या तुम मेरे विरुद्ध हो? अमन can't be against me. वो मेरे against नहीं रह सकता. He can't be against me. Yes, I will see your sentences now. Let's see the chat box. Go against your anger. Today, India, okay, nowadays many people are thinking against Modi. Very nice sentence. Today's time, mostly kids go against the wishes of their parents. Wonderful. Politician always give speech against their opposition party. My mother-in-law. क्या आप लोग घर की बातें मतलब चैट को भी नहीं छोड़ते हो आप लोग. Okay, okay. Nowadays, many people are thinking against Modi. Okay. Today, India will play against Australia. Okay. We should fight against Corona. Absolutely. Go against your anger. Very nice. Never go against your parent wishes. कभी कभी जा सकते हैं. If I feel I'm right. Okay, but yes, no, normally we should not. We should not go against our parents because they always think good for us. Absolutely right, Neelamji. My kids always go against my wishes. He's home. Okay. Very nice sentences against, क्योंकि बहुत लोग against हैं हमारे. So lot of sentences are coming very naturally. Very naturally it is coming. I'm against corruption. We Indians against with COVID. Against with लिखने का क्या जरूरत है? Against COVID लिखिए. How dare you working against me? Very good. We should not go against the rules and regulations. I, Sharmila saying I against नहीं होगा, एक verb तो लगेगा. How can you just write a sentence without verb, Sharmila? I am against of home violence. I am or I was. Okay. Without verb, we cannot make sentences. Never go against your parents. क्या हुआ भाई? आज सब go against parents, go against parents. Don't go against your parent. ये भी मीनाक्षी भी. Okay, I against with corruption. Okay, I behave against to my nature. We should not go against parents. Hey, Lord of parents. Okay. I'm always against my obstacle, the lawyer's speech against the client. We should fight against justice. Okay, thank you very much. अब ज़्यादा against नहीं चाहेंगे किसी के, and we'll go for the next preposition. Out of. This very nice preposition. Out of. इसका मतलब है to go out. To go out. कहीं से निकल के जाना. Or to leave a place, या तो अपने जगह से छोड़ देना. अपने आप जहाँ पे हो, आप वो जगह को छोड़ के दूसरे जगह जाते हो. So in that case, you can use out of. We can see some sentence. Even हम लोग इसको यूज करते हैं इतनी संख्या में, out of certain numbers. Even while calculation also we can use out of. I'll tell you how. इतनी संख्या में, we'll do that example. Let's see. I'm getting out of my house. मतलब getting out of my house. Getting out of my house मतलब मैं घर से बाहर जा रहा हूँ. जैसे हम लोग कभी बोलते हैं ना, मम्मी आई एम गोइंग आउट. सो आई एम गेटिंग आउट ऑफ माई हाउस. मैं अपना घर अभी छोड़ के बाहर जा रहा हूँ. आई एम गेटिंग आउट ऑफ माई हाउस. ही हैज गॉन आउट ऑफ दिल्ली. वो दिल्ली छोड़ के चला गया. ही हैज गॉन आउट ऑफ दिल्ली. He has gone out of Delhi. Okay, let's see the next sentence. Rahul, this is Sankhya, that amount, the number. Rahul scored 90 out of 10. Rahul scored 90 out of 10. Wonderful. I will see your sentence now. Out of 50 students, only 27 students participated. Very nice sentence. Khushi is getting out of 90 marks. Out of क्या होता है? Getting 90 out of 100 marks. I will say to Corona, get out of the whole world. आप कोरोना को बोलोगे get out. उसके कान है, आपको सुनाई, उनको सुनाई भी देगा. Okay, I have spent money for groceries out of my budget. Very bad. But the sentence is right. How I'm out of station. Very good. Okay, 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 okay. When I'm angry, I have to try out of my angry. I have to try out of my angry. Okay. Get out of here. This is a sentence. Get out of here. यहाँ से निकल जाओ. अगर ये सेंटेंस कभी आप बोलते हो अपने रिस्क में बोलना, कभी मत बोलिएगा कि आपने आईडीक्यू में ये सेंटेंस देखा था. सो इफ यू से गेट आउट ऑफ हियर किसी को, सो दैट विल बी, वो आप अपने रिस्क में बोलिएगा किसी को. बट हाँ, ये वर्ड आप यूज कर सकते हो, गेट आउट ऑफ हियर. ओके, वेरी नाइस. लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रपोजिशन. अच्छा, like this one also, 3 out of 10 had mobiles. Yeah, we can use this way also. Again, we are talking about numbers. 3 out of 10 had mobiles. मतलब 10 में से 3 जन के पास मोबाइल था. 3 out of 10 had mobiles. सिर्फ 3 जन के पास था. Okay, let's go for through. 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 Through का हिंदी मीनिंग होता है से या के द्वारा. See the picture. जो पिक्चर है उसको अच्छे से देखिए. कहीं से वो झांक रही थी. किसी चीज के आर पार देखना. थ्रू. किसी चीज के आर पार देखना. इन हिंदी वी से. लेट्स सी द सेंटेंस, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. आई कैन सी थ्रू द विंडो. आई कैन सी थ्रू द विंडो. आई कैन सी थ्रू द विंडो. मैं विंडो से. विंडो से. ही सॉ मी थ्रू दिस होल. इस होल से उसने मुझे देखा था. से. ही सॉ मी थ्रू दिस होल. अमन इज पीपिंग. पीपिंग मतलब जो हम लोग दरवाजे से छुप छुप के वो देखते हैं ना, पीप करते हैं, दैट इज पीपिंग. सो अमन इज पीपिंग थ्रू द विंडो. मतलब पीपिंग मतलब छुप छुप के देखना विंडो से. अमन इज पीपिंग थ्रू द विंडो. अमन इज पीपिंग थ्रू द विंडो. Okay, let's see your sentences now. He was eavesdropping our talk through the window. Very good, Preeti. But talk, you don't need to write talk there. Eavesdrop means talk. An old man walking through the stick. I'll see my future through IDQ. Very good sentence. Okay, nowadays we are breathing through our mask. Very nice sentence. When I passing, when I am passing, when I'm passing through the forest, I saw tiger through the binocular. I can send you through home delivery. Ojo is enjoying the beauty of nature through window. Very good. I'm going through sad backs. Sad backs क्या होता है नीरज? Setbacks होता है. Setbacks. Setbacks. In the night time, kids are peeping through quilt. Okay, very good. So through is a very normal. We have been using this preposition so many times. We are coming out. We are come out. We are coming out of our problem through our smile. I can send you through of home delivery. Okay, let's go for the next one. Okay, even you can, इसका एक और मीनिंग होता है किसी चीज से गुजरना. लास्ट वाला क्या था? किसी चीज के आर पार देखना. You are seeing from one side to another side, but the other application is also there. किसी चीज से गुजरना. You are going through something. You are going through something. I was passing through a street. मैं street से गुजर रहा था. He went through an underpass. Underpass मतलब जो आप देख रहे हो सामने, that is underpass. We went through an underpass. We went through an underpass. So that is through. Water passed through the pipe. तो किसी चीज से गुजरना. Water passed through the pipe. See, prepositions are very important. If you know preposition, you will see you are using many sentences. Maybe you don't know these prepositions, so that's the reason you never use so many different type of sentences. So after through, now we are going to throughout. Through is done. Now we are going to talk about throughout. मतलब सारा या मतलब पूरा. The whole. सारा, पूरा. Shop. We'll see the sentence, you will understand. किसी चीज के अंत तक. किसी चीज के अंत तक. I think the example will make you feel better. We worked throughout the night. We worked throughout the night. पूरे रात, पूरा रात मैंने काम किया. I worked throughout the night. I will love my mom, dad throughout the life. I will love my mom, dad throughout the life. Okay, let's see your sentences if you have written with throughout. Today we all are muted throughout this preposition class. Baap re baap. We should always smile throughout the life. Very good. I throw out all my bad behavior. I throw out. अरे भाई ये throw out नहीं है, ये through out है. Through out means किसी चीज के जरिए और you know या throughout. Throughout मतलब whole. We work throughout the night. पूरा 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 throughout. Corona warrior walked throughout the night. Very good. Today we all are. Okay, I need your throughout attention on my studies. I work throughout my life. Very good sentence. I'm going through through a very bad time. Okay, okay. Wonderful sentences. I don't eat anything throughout the day. Okay, that's I study throughout the day. We have to prepare throughout the preposition. I wish to visit throughout the world. Sir is only speaking throughout the class. Okay, kids are studying throughout the online mode. Very good, Vibha. Okay, let's go for the next preposition. Around, मतलब चारों ओर. चारों ओर. चारिदिके और आसपास. चारों ओर. क्या सेंटेंस हो सकता है? चारों ओर और आसपास इन हिंदी हम लोग बोलते हैं. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves. चारों ओर. The earth revolves around the sun. There are people around him. Around. चारों तरफ. Mom is not being seen around. Mom अभी कहीं दिख नहीं रही है चारों तरफ. Mom is not being seen around. Mom is not being seen around. You stick around. I may need you. तुम यहीं पे रहना. You stick around मतलब इधर ही इसी आसपास में रहना. बहुत से हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि तुम इधर आसपास रहना, मैं थोड़ा अंदर जाके काम करने जा रही हूँ या काम करने जा रहा हूँ. So हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, you stick around, I may need you. ये अच्छा dialogue है, you should always know this. You stick around, I may need you. These are some of the sentences. I'll see your sentences also at the same time. We'll see. Whenever I go to any function, people stand around me in so much in so much of excitement. Very good. We think positive, position vibes around us. These are lots of virus around us. People go around me are not serious of their dreams. Happy and sorrow is around our idol. Pollution is all around my city. People around me are very selfish. The stars around the sky. Thank you. Thank you very much. I like the atmosphere of the festival around me. Very good sentences. So around is also one of the prepositions that we have seen here. Charo or aspas. Let's go for the next preposition. Up to. Up to. Up to. Up to means tak. Tak. With distance or place or time. किसी time तक या कहीं दूर तक या कितने दूर तक. For example, I ran up to 5 kilometers. मैं 5 किलोमीटर तक दौड़ा था. He went up to देहरादून. वो देहरादून तक गया था. He watched TV up to 3 p.m. 3 बजे तक वो टीवी देखा था. So तक, जहां भी तक लगता है वहां पे हम इस up to को लगा सकते हैं. I was there up to January. मैं जनवरी तक मैं वहीं पे था. I was there. I was there. Yes, I'll see some of the sentences what you people are writing. In search of happiness, I go up to my limits. She is not up to the mark. Very good sentence. This contest is up to 5 years kid. Government is not up to the mark. Very good. She didn't perform up to the expectation. Okay. I will climb up to Mount Everest. I I will support you up to you trust me. Corona spreading all around the world. Okay. Now, guys, let's go for one more application of up to. One more application of up to. And that is also tak, but choice. We talk about choice. So how can you use up to with choice? It's up to you whether you go or not. So it's your choice. It's up to you. हम लोग बहुत बोलते हैं इसको sentence को. It is, now it's up to you. अभी आपके ऊपर है भाई. आप तक है. बोलिए क्या करना है. It's up to you whether you go or not. It's all up to you. Now it's your choice. So we are talking about choice. Up to. It's up to you whether you go or not. It's all up to you. Okay, so up to. It's all up to our class teacher whether he will take our test or not. Absolutely right. Okay, let's see the next function of up to. That's also choice. It's up to you whether you go or not. It's up to you. Okay, now see up to here. is a different application again. Now it talks about, he's not up to this job. Up to मतलब अब है ये deserve नहीं करता. So is we call it fit. वो fit है कि नहीं, तो वहां पे भी हम up to को use कर सकते हो. He is not up to this job. His performance is not up to your expectation. So now let's talk about whether you are fit for this or not. Whether somebody is fit for this or not. So he is not up to this job. He's not up to the benchmark fixed for the job. Very good. It is okay. Anything more? Any more sentences you want to write? It's up to you whether you take as positive or not. That's good. But now we are talking about fit. Fit for. Fit for. He's not up to. हम लोग बहुत समय बोलते हैं he is not up to he is not up to means he is not fit. आप simply इतना भी बोल सकते हो he is not up to the level, up to. You can use this word up to. I didn't perform up to the expectation. This dress, it's up to idea, it's up to your idea. He is not up to for your marriage, okay? He's not up to this job. The dress is not up to me. Okay, let's go for the next preposition and that is called till until. ये हम लोग बहुत समय यूज करते हैं. Till until. Till until. Till until. देखते हैं क्या होता है इसमें. So until it talks about समय के साथ. It talks about समय के साथ. Let's see some sentences. I was there till or until 2009. I was there. मैं 2009 तक, मैं वहां पे था समय के साथ 2009 तक. So I was there until 2009. उसके बाद मैंने छोड़ दिया. So you can use till also, you can use until also. I was there till January. I was there till January. मैं जनवरी तक था. एक समय से लेके एक समय तक था. I'm here till Monday. मैं यहाँ पे Monday तक हूँ. I'm here till Monday. He was at home till 5. वो 5 बजे तक घर पर था. So you can use until or till. Both are right. Yeah, you can write any sentence. I will see that. The sentence is wait until the right time. I work hard until I reach my desired success. I am till work in PC Chandra in 2018. I will not eat until I complete my homework. Very good. We are not forgot all the bad experience till time. I want to stay with my parents until my last breath. Very good sentences. I will be with you till my last breath. Very good. Very good. So until you can use it. I will chase my dreams till my last breath. अब till my until क्या होता है? You can use till or until. Anyone. Okay, let's go for the next one. Now we are going closer to our ending point. Now we are going for via. Via. कभी कभी हम लोग बोलते हैं ना via वहां जाएंगे, यहाँ से via वहां जाएंगे. के रास्ते. के रास्ते. Can you write any sentence with via? Can anyone? Yes, write a sentence with via. Easy, eh? I think you should be able to make it. I go to Mumbai via air. Okay, I feel afraid to go via road at night. The train will go Gwalior via Delhi. My kids are not complete their homework until ठीक है. We are going to Puri. You should go via train. Could you show me last slide till? This train will go to Kolkata via Mumbai. I went Jammu by train via Ambala. Light is reflecting via prism. I will go to Kota via Delhi. I reached my house via train. Wonderful sentences. Let's go for the next, the sentences which we have here. Train will go to Delhi via Kanpur. He traveled via Gujarat. I sent picture via Bluetooth. So you can use in this way also. I sent picture via Bluetooth. We are going Delhi via car. Wonderful. Bro went to Australia via Singapore. Okay, sir will be there in the class until all the students leave the class. Very good sentence, Prashanti. I always go to school via Tata station. Okay, the bus will go Howrah via Dharmtala. Wonderful sentence I could see here. Now we are coming to the final topic. Now we are not going to, make the topic right now. I'll give you the topic right now and you will make your topic. You can do video recording, audio recording, but always remember video recording is more important and it's a wonderful skill. Video recording is a skill nowadays. Always remember that. Video recording, your own video recording is a skill. You should be master in it right now. It's very important. So your topic is, and you have to speak with all the 19 prepositions which we have used today. So it's better that you should write your talk. Let go more high for 5 minutes, 6 minutes. अगर 5-6 minutes भी जाता है, it is absolutely fine. See, the more you speak, it is better for you. So that's what. So the topic for you, please write down the topic. My memorable trip to. My memorable trip to. अब गोवा हो सकता है, मनाली हो सकता है, गैंगटॉक हो सकता है, जम्मू हो सकता है, whatever you feel like. But you have to speak for no limit. You can go beyond 5 minutes also. आज नहीं. You can do it. You record your voice, you record your video, and you can send it to me. My memorable trip to. Now it is up to you what trip you will be writing. 5 minutes to be maximum, because beyond 5 minutes, I think the file will not may not come. It depends. Audio will come, but video will not come.